finally, Black Forest Labs released Flux Kontext Dev model weights. So you can go here on Hugging Face and download it. However, it's pretty hefty. So unless you have a really powerful GPU, I recommend you go into this guy and using one of these GGUF models. They are much nicer on your GPU. So what you can do, ComfyUI released native workflows, like for example this one. You can transfer the overall style of the image to another one. You can make two characters hug themselves like this. And some guides here. First time you open the workflow, you might need some models if you don't have already, like the VAE, the text encoders, and the actual context model. So what I did in order for this to work is replace these two nodes with these two nodes. So if you don't have the GGUF nodes, you can go to the manager, make sure you update the ComfyUI, otherwise the workflow won't work. Custom nodes manager, and here you can search for GGUF. There it is. It's from this guy. Make sure you install that. And to access this workflow, it's pretty easy. You just need to go to workflow, browse templates, and there it is. You choose Flux. Here it is. You replace the load diffusion model with this UNet loader. It will be here into bootlet UNet loader. And then the dual clip loader if you want to use a quantized model of a text encoder as well. So that's it. That's pretty much it. So you give your prompt and put any image you want to do the changes. So let's try putting this glass into the semi-ultimate. Let's see how that works. Let's click run. So it will stitch the images together, and let's hope my machine doesn't crash. I can see how much VRAM it's using. Remember, I'm using a 3060, 12 gigabytes of VRAM, and my RAM is 32 gigabytes. You definitely should have at least 32 gigabytes of RAM for AI works. Oh my god, it finished. Well, it definitely cannot keep the style of the glasses correct, but I chose specifically this type of glasses because I know it's the least common. I did another image that was not this bad, but I think I didn't save it, so whatever. There it is. You can try it for yourself. Run this locally. Just in case you don't have a powerful GPU, but want to try these models, you can go to MimicPC. I'm gonna put a link in the description. You can run open source models, and they have a bunch of different templates you can choose. And once you choose one, they will be ready to go. You don't have to do any configuration, nothing. And you even have a free tier. So I'm gonna put a link in the description as well. All of the models, you can use this and help the channel as well. So thanks. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like.